Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the best in-depth reviews of the latest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vitamix Ascent Series X3 blender. If you've ever wanted a blender that can handle anything from smoothies to soups and even frozen desserts, this machine may be just what you've been waiting for. But does it really live up to the Vitamix reputation? Let's find out. The Vitamix Ascent Series X3 comes packed with features designed for both versatility and ease of use. First off, it boasts 3 automatic blending programs: smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. These programs are designed to deliver consistent results every time, allowing you to achieve the perfect texture with minimal effort. If you like more control, the variable speed settings and pulse function let you fine-tune the texture, ideal for everything from crushing ice to mixing the perfect smoothie. Another standout feature of this blender is the self-cleaning program. With just a drop of dish soap and some warm water, the X3 can clean itself in 60 seconds or less. This is a game changer for those who want to minimize cleanup time, especially after blending thick soups or frozen treats. But what about the build quality? Let's dive into that. The Vitamix Ascent X3 features a 2.2 horsepower motor that powers through just about anything you throw at it, from fibrous veggies to frozen fruits and even tough nuts. This high-performance motor ensures smooth blends, so you can say goodbye to those annoying chunks that sometimes slip through the cracks of other blenders. The stainless steel blades are laser cut for precision, so they're designed to last for years, making the X3 a long-term investment in your kitchen. In terms of design, the blender is sleek and modern, with intuitive touch button controls and a digital timer that helps remove the guesswork when following recipes. Whether you're making a quick smoothie or preparing a hot soup, the timer makes sure your blends are spot on. Plus, it comes with a 48-ounce container that's just the right size for small to medium batches. It's also BPA-free and dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. Now let's talk about real-world performance. Setting up the Vitamix X3 was as simple as plugging it in and selecting the program. I first tried it out with a basic smoothie, and I was impressed. It blended frozen berries, yogurt, and ice effortlessly, and the texture was velvety smooth. The pulse function really helped break down some of the more stubborn ice chunks too. Next, I decided to test the soup function. After adding some fresh vegetables and broth, I selected the hot soup program, and within a few minutes, I had a piping hot, perfectly blended soup. The best part? It didn't require any extra cooking time. It was all done within the blender, which is ideal for anyone who's short on time but still wants a fresh, home-cooked meal. I also experimented with the frozen dessert setting, and while it worked fine, it wasn't quite as smooth as I expected. There were still some larger chunks of frozen fruit. However, it did the job well enough for a quick, homemade ice cream alternative. In terms of build quality, the Vitamix X3 feels solid. The 48-ounce container is sturdy and fits securely onto the base. I've heard a lot about Vitamix products' durability, and this one is no different. It's built to last, with materials that feel premium but not too heavy, so it's still manageable on the countertop. When it comes to value for money, the Vitamix Ascent Series X3 isn't cheap. However, the performance, versatility, and durability make it worth considering if you blend often and need a high-performance machine. At this price, you're not just paying for a blender, you're investing in a product designed to last. If you're someone who blends every day, this blender is certainly worth the money, but if you just need something for an occasional smoothie or soup, you might want to look at more budget-friendly options. Now, let's briefly compare the Vitamix Ascent X3 with some of its competitors. Blenders like the Ninja Foodie or the Breville Super Q offer similar blending power at a lower price point, but they don't have the same level of build quality or the unique features like the self-detect technology, which adjusts settings based on the container you use. If you need a machine that can handle all kinds of recipes with professional-grade results, the X3 stands out. In terms of longevity, Vitamix's reputation precedes it. Known for its rugged construction, this blender is backed by a 10-year warranty, which speaks volumes about its long-term reliability. You won't find many blenders in this price range that offer that kind of peace of mind. Based on user reviews and industry reputation, the Ascent X3 is likely to last for years with minimal maintenance. As for customer support, Vitamix is highly regarded in this area. Many users report fast, friendly, and effective customer service, which makes sense considering their commitment to providing top-notch products. If any issues do arise, you can feel confident that they'll be addressed in a timely manner. So, is the Vitamix Ascent X3 worth it? The answer depends on what you're looking for in a blender. If you need a reliable, high-powered machine that can handle everything from smoothies to soups and frozen desserts, the X3 is a great choice. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and built to last. However, it's definitely an investment, so if you only use a blender occasionally, there are more affordable options that may suit your needs just fine. Thank you so much for watching today's review. If you have any questions about the Vitamix Ascent X3, or if you already own one, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember, you can find the product link in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV. And remember, blending doesn't have to be a hassle.